There has been a ton of speculation about DJI releases in the last few years, and as some of you even pointed out in the comments of my previous videos, I've been covering drone releases a lot less lately since there are very few new rumors and reports. But at the same time, if you look up the Mini 6 Pro, the Neo 3, or the Air 4, you'll find videos claiming to already have official specs, prices, and confirmed release dates. The truth is, no reliable source has shared anything about those products yet. So the main point of this video will be to give you my personal point of view on the upcoming DJI releases based on what has been filed or certified months ago, and considering the product timelines we've already covered in the past 4 to 5 years on this channel. So the first product that will release is obviously the Osmo 362. We've covered it in multiple videos on the channel, but to give you a recap, the highlights are the replaceable lenses, 8K 60 frames per second recording, and the upgraded battery. There aren't many images of it actually, none of them is an official render, so in my opinion, the release window will be between September and October 2026, but we will surely have more detailed information about this very soon. What comes next is the interesting part, and it might be quite controversial at first, since there are absolutely zero recent reports. But if we go back a little, you might remember from my older video released in January that this leaker posted a list of certifications where there's also the Mavic 5. You might say that it's all made up, but this user posted some of the biggest leaks of the Mini 5 Pro last year, and so I personally think it could be a valid leak. And if you think about it, it's been 1.5 years since the Mavic 4 Pro came out, so in my opinion, the Mavic 5 could potentially be released in the first half of next year, following the same 2-year upgrade cycle we've seen since the Mavic 3. But let's concentrate on the closer releases, possibly even before the end of this year. A few months ago, a new small drone was caught during test flights, and most likely what we're looking at here is the Neo 3. As you can see, it seems to have a screen at the top, while it keeps the same rigid frame structure without a folding mechanism. Again, there are no other leaks about it apart from this video, but I can still think of something similar that we've seen in 2024, when the DJI Flip was spotted for the first time during summer. We then didn't have a single leak up until December, and the drone was ultimately released in January. I'd say we might witness something similar with the Neo 3, with a release window that ranges between late 2026 and early 2027. The two remaining drones are the Mini 6 Pro and the Air 4, which we still don't know absolutely anything about. There's a chance the Air 4 comes out before the Mini 6, since the upgrade cycle between the S series and the next generation is usually 2 years. But I really don't want to share unrealistic expectations. What it's quite certain, though, is that we won't see these drones in 2026. Let me know your opinions in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to not miss the upcoming leaks.